From this video you will learn how to cook chocolate puffs. Stir a cupful of flour into a cupful of water and half a cupful of butter, boiling together. Remove from fire. Beat in an ounce of melted chocolate, and, one at a time, 3 large eggs. Shape with forcing bag and rose tube. Bake. Cut off the tops and put into each cake a tablespoonful of strawberry preserves. Cover with whipped cream sweetened and flavored _ Janet McKenzie Hill Ladies Home Journal _ Happy cooking and bon appetit! Please subscribe for more videos and thank you for watching.